Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Brian, aka Doodleman, and I'd like to welcome you back to my small humble channel once again. Yeah, so today I'll just go ahead and do some quick sketch for gestural drawings, which I'm still kind of struggling with right now at the moment. Yeah, so basically in this past 4 or a little more than 4 years of my self-study on how to draw figure drawings and just basically like comic and the manga arts overall general. I do realize that drawing and art overall is not something that you can just be good at overnight. I thought I could do it, but no. I suppose there's no easy way around when it comes to drawing. So and in some ways, I thought that training my left hand along with my right hand will kind of speed up the process of improving myself. But I mean, well, it does kind of help, but still, the miracle doesn't happen overnight. So yeah, I just kind of decided to go back to beginning once again and just try to focus more on the four core concepts that I've learned from George Bridgman's method, which is balance, balance. Balance is just so important when it comes to doing not just the gestural like human figure drawing, but pretty much like everything else, everything else in between. Like even when you're drawing like animal or the architectural drawings, or or any other like mechanical drawings, you always have to not just myself, but I guess even amateurs or even the professional artists, they always think of a proper balance of all the forms and the drawings that they do. So yeah, first and foremost, the balance, and within the balance, just figure out the other rhythmic patterns of whichever objects that you're drawing, and thirdly, start constructing forms. Yeah, like way the George Bridgman used to do. So figure out the balance and then the rhythmic lines of whatever the object that you're drawing, and then on top of that, the rhythmic line, you start construct, add, and subtract the forms such as the squares, cubes, triangle, or the cylinder, or circles, or whatever. So yeah, that, and just think of and on top of that, after that third step, the fourth step will be adding values such as like shading, and just figure out where the negative spaces are and where the bright sides are. Just think of line weights. So yeah, I mean, all these things I've learned over this past 4 years, or a little more than 4 years, during my self study on how to draw. Yeah, I mean, it's easier said than done, but when it comes to actually doing the practicing, yeah, I guess the art is just a never-ending journey that you always have to kind of keep on practicing and just try to challenge yourself to a higher, more difficult level of drawing. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and keep my mouth shut, and I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys enjoy these rest of the drawing session. So please just leave it in the comment section if I do anything wrong on this gesture drawing, because I'm not really perfect. Again, I have to admit that I'm not any sort of a like professional artist, but just another hobbyist trying to learn how to draw. So yeah, if you guys find anything funky or anything wrong with the sketches, just don't feel bad. The constructive criticism is always welcome. So yeah, that's it for now, and I will see you guys next time.